Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, Bat and Rat, it's not my channel, it's both of our channels. But in today's video, we will be doing running games, such as Subway Surfer, but we will not be playing that. It's like games that are like Subway Surfer, but they're not Subway Surfer. So as you all know, Easter's right around the corner, so because of that, we will be doing Easter Bunny Run. So to play, and then we'll see what happens. You fell down the well? That's not funny. Okay, I'll see you when it loads. Alright, we are back in. I'll hit tap to play. Wow. Oh, wow. This is slow. This should be easy. But it's hard to control. Oh my god. If you guys play this is so hard to control. And why does that bunny have bread around its legs? And that's an evil bunny. It has red eyes. Makes sense. Okay, yeah. I see what this game was trying to go off of. But it just didn't work out, I guess. I guess they were trying to go off of Subway Surfer. I see what they were going for, but yeah. Okay, let's see if we can get a high score. I think I already did. Alright. Okay. Get over here. But the thing is, you jump too high. Wait, can you jump up here? Oh, I thought you can just jump up there. That bunny is so weird looking. Blue and stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they tried to go off of Subway Surfer. Yeah. Excuse me? No! Fish doesn't have water. Okay, let's go on to the next game. Alright, we're in the next game. And in this game, we are 99 years old. Yeah, it's Garfield Rush. How can you not love Garfield? Odie's in the background trying to get Garfield's cake. And I don't know who that gray cat is. It looks like it's holding an onion. So yeah, let's hope this game's good. Well, I'm not saying that the other game wasn't good. It was just hard to control, and the bunny looked weird. So yeah, let's hit play. Go. Who was that? Wait, how do I jump? Oh, okay, it wasn't letting me jump. I know how to do this. It waits for the last moment to let you slide. I know how to jump. Wow. Okay, yeah, this game's pretty high quality. I don't know why it's snowing. I don't think cats like going in the snow. Unless Garfield's very special. Anyway, yeah, this game's so much easier to control than the last one. The last one, it made you jump too high. Can you slide under these? I don't think so. Ah! This one's hard. What if I just... Now I want to know what was in here. No, what? What was in there? I wish I went in there now. Christmas tree. It's not even Christmas though, so I don't get why that makes sense. Wow. Wait. This game's too hard. But I'm very good at it. Oh. No. Ah. Garfield's Naruto now, because that makes total sense. Totally tubular. Makes totally tubular sense. I already got 1,000 in the last game. I think I got... What was that? Is that a bird? So wait, does this go through all of the seasons of the year? Well, that's kind of cool, I guess. Well, let's see if I can go the full rotation. And if I can't, we'll just go on to the next game. How do I do that? Okay, well, I did it. It's fine. And if you guys didn't know, I've got a score in Subway Surfer. Now we're back to winter. That doesn't make sense. Ah, no. Oh, that was close. Okay. Anyway, you guys probably don't know this because I didn't record it. That means that you don't know it, but I got a score in Subway Surfer of 400,000. I don't know. Whoa, what is that? Level 13? I didn't know there was levels in this game. No. Oh. Well, that was this game. I guess we'll go on to the next game now. Alright, this is... What am I doing? Ugh! Why is it freaking out? Okay, this is the last game of the video. And it's Talking Tom, Go Run. Alright, I'm not sure if when you guys were little that you played Talking Tom. But is this going? I guess I'm gonna go that way. Okay, how old do I want to be? I'll close my eyes and I'll stop when I want to. No, you tell me when I want to stop. Stop? You say stop now? Okay. Okay, I was born in 1972. Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys were little, you guys played Talking Tom, but I loved it for some reason. It's the simplest games that caught my eye. Whoa! Tom has a big head. Is he going to be able to go under there? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Go? What, didn't it already start? Where'd he go? No fair. He's too much faster than me. My head's too big. It weighs me down. Okay. Oh. Oh. He doesn't jump far enough. Give me this. Plus 100? Why are you throwing it? You don't make sense. You old rat. Okay, I'm pretty sure this didn't help because then I just went right over him. And if he gets in front of me by me... How did he get in front of me? I was just on a plane. I watched me go over his head. Where'd he go? I just saw him. I saw him off in the foggy distance. Can I run up these? Okay, yeah, it's a train that hauls around poop. Yeah. I can't believe it. I messed up. What was my score? 1,206. What does this do? I buy a new house. Oh wait, what? I put a pool in. But cats don't swim. What? Do I have enough money for this? What did I put? No, why? I want to paint my house. I don't like the red. Let's make it green. Okay. Last thing. Let's see what it does. Whoa. Oh, Tom, you're getting very spoiled. Okay. Let's just play one more time. And then we'll... whoa. Beat the hit. Splashy Tom. I would not pay $3 to get a skin. No. Okay. This game is promoting reckless driving. Okay. Why would they show that in a kid's game? Why am I so much slower than him? His head's like twice the size of mine. Yeah, heads matter. Excuse me. Okay. High score? How did I get a high score already? Oh, because I just bought... Hey, what was that? Got a box? Can I collect stuff? Whoa, can I run through cars? Oh, it was only a one-time offer. No! I'm pretty sure I got ×4 by buying the stuff for the house. Because houses matter. What? Well, this is what I need Splashy Tom for? What is that? Since when can you jump underwater? Cats don't like going underwater. This game doesn't make sense. Whoa! No, where do I go? Oh, watch an ad to save me. Alright, that ad is over, and now we should be able to start playing again. Wow. Wow! ×2? Wow! I do math! So wait, what is that times? My score... Is it timesing? I can't tell. Whoa! Soccer helmet. What is that? I don't know what that thing is. Yay. Alright, let's do the... Wow! I didn't know what it worked like that. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Broke your car. Tom's head looks like a wrecking ball. No! No, it didn't let me jump! Okay. Well, I'm not gonna watch another ad. No. Okay. So, high score for... It was 9,524. Yeah, so that was on today's video. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comments that don't exist. Okay? So, yeah, that was all for today's video. So, I will be gone now.